back to our channel Live Review. My name is Dev and this is Tintin, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and overview of a Lenovo smart clock here. This is there are two models available, like it was available earlier around 2 years back. One had an LCD screen and this one is the LED screen, but yeah, the other one is not available right now. I bought the other one earlier. I did the unboxing of that. I'll put the link of that above. You can go check that out. That has stopped working, so I got this. So this is the very minimalist version. This is the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential, as I just said, but there are a few extra features also here, so watch till the end to see that. Let me show you around the box and then we'll do the unboxing. So hey Google, of course, there is, you can use YouTube Music, Spotify along with that, Philips Hue, so these are the compatible ones. And yeah, Lenovo Essential, lots of, okay, now so I think this is made in China. Yeah, this is made in China, manufactured for Lenovo, and the MRP of this is 7,000, but you can get this for anywhere around 2,000 to 3,000. I got this for around 2,500. I'll put the link of that below. I got this from Flipkart. Okay, and you can see this is an old unit, so 2021, so that's 4 years back. This is 2025. Yeah, they don't make this anymore. All right, yeah, I had a little bit of difficulty getting this, so yeah, but I'm it is currently out of stock, but I'm glad that I got this, because yeah, these days I have to say you don't get that amount of good smart assistants in India. Don't know why. At least the Google ones, you can get a lot of Amazon ones out there, the Alexas, but the Google assistants, yeah, I'm not sure. I think they have, the Google have stopped making the ones with the screens. You get the Nests and all the good, the round ones, but yeah, with the screens is very difficult to get in India these days. Okay, so I have taken out the plastic, and from her, there is the seal. And okay, even if this is old, this is not, someone hasn't opened this. This is a seal packed box, so let's open that. Yeah, so there it goes. Okay, press and hold the volume button to turn off night light. Okay, there is a night light. So this is what I was talking about. The older model didn't have a night light, so this have a night light. Okay, same type of power brick. So this does not run on battery. This cannot operate as a portable Bluetooth speaker, but you can use this, connect with your phone and play music on this. This has an inbuilt speaker in this. So the brick is a little bit small. There is no Lenovo branding on top like the previous ones, but yeah, Lenovo branding here. And let me see, yeah, same type of pin. I think the old one will also work on with this, and some okay, some paperwork. Let's not go into that. And yeah, that's it. This is also a little bit slimmer than the older one. Okay, there is a little bit of tape, and the tape has turned yellow with age. You can see that. Yeah, this is an old model. I really wish Lenovo launches an updated version of these. I really like having a Google Assistant on my desk, which also serves as a clock. Okay, yeah, the same hemp. This is the hemp gray version. This is cloth finish, by the way. Lenovo branding here. This is also cloth. And okay, this has 4 buttons. The earlier one had just 2 buttons, so this has button. And yeah, of course we need the buttons because this is not touch screen, so that's one. Yeah, alarm button, and yeah, rubberized base so that it does not slide. But I really like that this is so slim. Okay, so this is the mute button, if I remember correctly. Yes, the type, yeah, this is another good thing. There is a type A, USB type A. You can plug in a cable and charge your phone or charge your devices with this. This is where this goes. Okay, and yeah, any other buttons? No. All right, so let me plug this in and I will show you how the light looks and how the display looks. Okay, so I have plugged this in. This is starting. So this is the famous Google Assistant dots. The color is also there. I was just about to say, unfortunately it's black and white, but yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is booting up, and this is where the time will go. Okay,
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Okay, so I have to set this up with the Google Home app, but I just wanted to let you see how this looks. Yeah, the volume, if I, okay, this is the play button, and alarm. I guess this will not work. So it was written press and hold the volume down button for the night lamp. Let's try that. So I have to press and hold, and Not bad. This is flickering on the camera because this is this is LED, but in real life our eyes cannot see that. When I see that directly, I do not see any flicker there. So yeah, and if I have to press it down to close this, so this is nice. This will just act as a night lamp. I have done the setup of the device. This is how it looks. This is the main time. This shows the current temperature, the day, Saturday today, even a weather icon here. So there are like LEDs here. So a little while back it was showing a cloudy icon here, but now it's raining, so it changed to the raining and cloud icon here, and AM PM here. So I would say very minimalist, and it's quite nice. The 4 buttons: volume up, volume down. This is the pause play button if you are playing any music, and this is the button to set your alarm. And this is how the night lamp looks, and this is the mute button. Let's see.
The mic is muted.
Okay, so that's what, when it's muted it just tells you. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, so that is it for today. If you want to see a full review of this, put that in the comment section and I'll do that. And I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos there. Goodbye.